Several months, we have been sharing the journey of Sophia Anderson, a toddler battling a rare cancer. Her story and hashtag Sophia Strong has resonated around the world. And through the stories we have shared, her parents have gotten strong support, not just financially, but also emotionally, including from a family who went through the very same thing. But sadly, the cancer took their son's life. But they are committed to helping other children like Sophia, and tonight held Karaoke for the Cure in Ybor City, one that Sophia's parents were part of. ABC Action News reporter Kara Mashik shows us why for them it's so important to highlight the need for help, especially this month.
With a live band and karaoke, Robin and Kyle Edwards are celebrating their son Ezra. This effort launched because of Ezra to help other kids like him in the war on cancer.
At 400 days, he was diagnosed with neuroblastoma, 400 days of his life, and at 800 days, he died of neuroblastoma. And I cherished every moment of it, but neuroblastoma is a hard cancer to beat, and the relapse rate is high, and that's what happened to Ezra.
Through the battle, though, Robin and Kyle Matthews met a lot of other local families who had been through the very same thing. Together, they knew they could make a difference toward research for better treatments and a cure. Money badly needed to be raised because nationally, childhood cancers draw less than 4% of all cancer research funding.
We know that Ezra started this for us, and we're going to continue it because of Ezra and because of all these different families that we've met along the way.
Dollars raised through the Karaoke for the Cure benefit the NMRTC, a group known for its research into childhood cancer and leading clinical trials. In the past 5 years, money raised right here in Tampa Bay is already making a difference, getting more kids into trials, including some in St. Pete. Saturday night, a generous donor who lost her brother to neuroblastoma giving $25,000 to help even more kids to have a fighting chance.
It's helping so many kids, and I just couldn't be happier.
In Tampa, Kara Mashik, ABC Action News.
And we checked in with Sophia's parents tonight. Earlier this month, they said she was cancer-free, but little Sophia is still under treatment. And a brand